already have an ElevenLabs account and want to access your AI voice projects. Logging in only takes a few moments and gives you access to text-to-speech, voice cloning, dubbing, and other powerful AI audio tools. Yeah, in this guide, I'll show you how to log into ElevenLabs in 2026. First, open your preferred web browser and go to the official ElevenLabs website. Make sure you're visiting the official site before entering your account information. Click the Sign In button to open the login page. Depending on your account, you may see multiple sign-in options, including email or supported third-party providers. If you're using email, enter your registered email address and password. Yeah, if you originally signed up with Google or another supported provider, choose the same sign-in method to access your account. Some accounts may require an additional verification step for security. I mean, you might be asked to confirm your identity with a verification code or complete another authentication step before continuing. Once your credentials are verified, you'll be taken to the ElevenLabs dashboard. From here you can access your saved projects, AI voices, voice library, and all of the available tools included with your account. If you can't sign in, double-check your email address and password, or use the Forgot Password option to reset your credentials. Also, make sure you're using the same sign-in method that you used when creating your account. And that's how to log in to ElevenLabs in 2026. Once you're signed in, you can start creating realistic AI voiceovers, managing your projects, and exploring all of the platform's audio generation features. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.